Hi, welcome back to my channel. I Can Sew. I'm Kendra, and I just received a new tool. I told you before how much I like my tools, my sewing notions and tools and things of that nature. I just received a new one from the Dritz company. They actually mailed it to me, you guys. I saw it in Walmart, and I'm not really sure if it was $4.97 or $9.97. I'll put a description of it in the bottom. So in case you could not read it, it is a Magnified LED seam ripper. I have not used it yet. What it says on the package is bright LED light, 3 times magnification. Battery is included. Oh, I'm glad the battery is included because the sister don't have any batteries. See? Okay. Let's see. So, I'm going to show this to you, and I'm actually going to do a video on this and another pattern that I just sewed. So I'll do the full review of this particular pattern, which is 8178, and yes, it is old. I think it came out maybe 2 or 3 years ago, but I wanted to try this jumpsuit because it seemed really easy. So this is, oh, which one am I making? I don't know now. I don't know. I have to go back and look because I think I'm making I don't know. I think I'm making A, but you know, a sister has big thighs, so it looks like B, which is the slim fit. So I'll double check that and then let you know. Talk about it in the next one. So what I've done so far, drop the pattern, hold on. What I've done so far is I've sewn this entire thing. Yes, it's on the wrong side, because I want to show you an issue that I had. I tried it on, and I sewed the bodice backwards onto the pants. Oh, no, that's not what I did. I'm sorry. I tried it on, and it looked kind of wonky. What I did was I stitched the pockets down. You see the pockets right here? I stitched the pocket going towards the back as opposed to towards the front. So then when I try it on, it looks like I had the pants on backwards. So I said, well, since I have to take these out, what a great way to try out this new toy. Here it is up close. I want you to be able to see it. So it's the magnifying glass here. Let me show, from the side looks great. And here is the seam ripper itself, once again. And then it has a light to it. So it says here, pull the tab. Okay, pull the tab. Let's see here. And I turned it on. Can you see how it's lit? That's really cool. Now let's see. I'm going to bring you in closer. And do not judge me. I'm on my way to the gym. So that's why our sister's looking real busted on camera. Truth be told, a lot of times I'm not made up or camera ready, and that's what's held me up from filming a lot, because I have been sewing, I just have not been filming. So let me show you me originally. So we have here, you see it? I have to take these stitches out. No, I did not baste it, which you are supposed to do. Now, you know, that was a rookie mistake. You're supposed to base it and try it on. And I should have done that because, honestly, once I put the pants, sewn the pants together, I couldn't tell what was the front or the back. So, this is me pulling it out here, right? And I am looking I am really close in the seam, to the fabric so I can see it. So let's try this new one here. Oh, this moves if you needed to move this out of the way. Okay, it does move, so that's cool. Don't bend it all the way back. It looks like it just stands straight up. So, now that I'm doing this. Oh, you guys. Oh, I'm sorry. The light. Let me turn that light off. The light really does help, though. It does help to see better. But I don't think I can show that to you. But look, you guys. Let me get in here. Can you see it? Let me do this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? now that I got it this way, let's see if I can turn. Oh no, I can't turn the light on. You can't see. This is a lot better. Now look how small it is compared to how much larger this made it. Let's see while I'm trying to use it if it's helpful. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I don't wear glasses, so it is kind of difficult for me to look through a glass at something. But for those of you who are used to wearing glasses, even those little readers or peepers, as some people like to call it, that you buy out of the drugstore, this would be very easy to get used to. I think I'm getting the hang of it now, but I'm probably going to use this when I have fabric that is the same color and I'm really having a hard time seeing what it is. The seam ripper is perfect. I mean, you can't go wrong with a seam ripper, right? But the magnifying part of it is what is not helpful for me, just because it's hard for me to look through things. But again, I'm that person that likes to look at things with the naked eye. I don't do well wearing glasses or things like that nature. So yeah, I give this a thumbs up, and I hope to bring to you a review of more tools in the future. I think the light is very helpful. So even I don't know where I was now. Oh, here. Even if I don't use now, okay, now this is better. This is better. I'm not using the magnifying part. I've moved it out of my way, but I'm using the light, and that is very helpful for me to see. So I don't know for me if the magnifying glass is necessary, and I'll try again when I have something that is the same color, and I'll have a harder time finding it. But in terms of weight, there's a huge difference, of course. This it's not even the magnifying glass or whatever, but this whole thing is pretty bulky. But it has to be bulky because it has a battery in it. And I'm not sure, it is a special kind of battery it has in it, that it will have in it, because see how short it is here? It's not even a AAA or AA. It's one of those really teeny ones that you have to get from like a Lowe's or a battery specialty store. Oh, comes off, you guys. But overall, they're the same size, but this is a lot bulkier, heavier. So if you're somebody, also, I know some people with arthritis can't close their hand as much, then this is very helpful for that. So let me show you the package once again. Here it is. They do have it at Walmart. I was in Walmart the other day, and I always go by the sewing department, and this was in there. So I recommend it. I'm not going to spend too much longer. I've said the same thing over and over again, and it's already been about 8 minutes on here. So I hope you have a great one. I should be back sometime. Today's Monday. I should be back sometimes by the end of the week to show you this and a kind of kimono jacket that I made. This in the same material. I really wanted to make something that was color on color, monochromatic. So we'll see. I've already figured out some fit issues, and I really should have done a test run, and I didn't. So we'll see. Have a great one. And thank you again for tuning in to I Can Sew. I'm Kendra, and you can like, subscribe. Please don't dislike, but if you feel so, feel it in your spirit to dampen a sister's heart, then, dislike it. But leave a comment. Subscribe, and I'll see you again for the next 2 videos.